if I want the slope of a line that passes between 2 points, the easiest way to find it is to use the slope formula. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, this is my first point, so this is my x and my y, and it's my first point, so this is my x1 and my y1. This is my second point, so this is my x2 and y2. Don't skip this step of labeling, because the most common mistake is just to put the numbers in the wrong spot, right? This is a short process, but you just have to be careful to do all the details correctly. So here's y2 is negative 12 minus y1 is negative 5 over x2 is 4 minus, right, this minus sign, x1 is 2. Now, let's do the math. This becomes a plus, this double negative. So this becomes negative 12 plus 5. Okay, so I have more negatives than positives. So this is going to be negative. And then I'm basically subtracting, right? And I get 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, now in this case, this cannot be simplified. 7 cannot be divided by 2. We keep it a fraction. Yes, it can be changed into a mixed number, but we don't. We like slopes that are fractions, right? We can imagine if we were graphing a line, we would go down 7 and right 2. We're going to leave it just like that. Okay, if the slope can be simplified into a whole number, you do that. Like, let's say I were to get like 8 over 2, I would simplify that to a whole number. Okay, but if it's a fraction like this that can't be simplified to a whole number, we just leave it as it is. Here, you can welcome to pause and try this one, but I'm going to do one more example on this video. Ms. Broderick starts a soccer club. At the beginning of the school year, it has 15 members. Each week, 4 new people join. Write an equation to represent the membership of the soccer club after X weeks. Okay, so here's what you need to know. When we're talking about change, we use y equals mx plus b. And we say, if something's changing, this is the starting point, the y-intercept. And this is how the thing is changing. The rate of change, how fast is it changing? Is the number going up or down? So in this case, my starting point is that I started with 15 members. That's my starting point. And how is that number changing? Am I getting more members or less members? I'm getting more members. I'm adding 4 new members each week. So the way that my number is changing is that I'm increasing by 4. That's positive 4. So my starting point is positive 15. I have 15 people in my club. And each week there's 4 new members, so that's positive 4. And this is what my equation would look like. Okay, go ahead and try these two and check your answers.